a chroeso cynnes iawn I chi gyd unwaith eto heno. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to you all once again tonight. Datgan sychder yn y gogledd yn dilyn cyfnod hir o dywydd poeth. Drought declared in the north following a long period of hot weather. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif, chant pedwar deg pimp. Series 4 and episode number 345. Menter initiative. Hello everybody. Today's episode is about Menter iaith, or as plural, Mentrau iaith, and they're a group of not-for-profit organisations that help the Welsh language and put on activities for you to use Welsh. And I've been using them very good. Anyway, heddiw yw dydd Iau. Today is Thursday, y trydydd ar hugain o Orffennaf 2026, the 23rd of July 2026, ac mae hi 9 munud I 9 yr hwyr. And it is 9 minutes to 9 p.m. or 8:51. Today is about Menter. It means initiative. It can also mean venture or enterprise. So I've put links here of lots of different mentors around the country. And these are all the Facebook links. There's also a web link to linking out to the links for you as well. A main link for them. It's giving you other links to websites and phone numbers. And then I've put links together for all the Facebooks, because you find lots of activities on there and you can see them usually without having to sign up like you do with some of the other social medias. So if you're not a member of Facebook, at least you can still look at the details. So that's why I've chosen them. Mentors, venture, enterprise. So you find your local one and you'll find some activities around. Mentrai, initiatives, speculations, ventures, darings, enterprises, plural of mentor. And it can be mentor without an E as well, another spelling of it. How do you pronounce this? Let's have a look. Chroeso. Yeah. Chroeso. Promote busnesau, firms, businesses, concerns, soft mutation of busnesau. Cynlluniau, schemes, plans, designs, plots. These are all words that I've found whilst going through these different Menter iaith. Facebook's just pulling out some words that we haven't done. That you see around. Cynlluniau, schemes, plans, designs, plots. Dywydd, 2 days. So it's like putting the word die and dydd together, and the die becomes day. Because the bawb changes sometimes when you make a compound word, when you squash 2 words together. Dywydd, 2 days. Llefydd, places, plural of lle. Argael, available. Sesiwn is a session. Sesiynau, sessions. Addas, suitable, appropriate, fit, like fit for purpose. Fynychu, attend, soft mutation of mynychu. Werin, folk, people. Soft mutation of gwerin, or it can be chess men as well, chess pieces. Or it can be an adjective as folk as well, as in folk music, that kind of thing. Gweithdi, workshop. Gweithdai, workshops. Plural of gweithdi. Greadigol, creative. Ymunwch, you join, you will join, or join as a command. Ymunwch. So they say, ymunwch ani, join us. I've lost where we were now. I've scrolled. Gyhoeddi. Publish, announce, declare, issue. Soft mutation of cyhoeddi. Wythnos nesa. Wythnos nesaf. With the F in there. wythnos nesaf. Next week, tocynnau. Tickets, plural of tocyn. Brynhawn, afternoon. Soft mutation of prynhawn. Gefnogaeth, support, backing, soft mutation of cefnogaeth. Archebu, book or order. Book as in order. Order something. Book a table, not book as in read a book. Uchafbwyntiau, highlights. Am ddim, free, as in for nothing, no cost. Am ddim. Am ddim literally means for nothing. Fanylion, details, soft mutation, manylion. Details, manylion. Lanciad is a launch, sorry, not a book launch. Lanciad, launch, could be a book launch, but it's a lanciad. Cyfres, register. That's what you need to do for some of these events for Menter. You have to register so they know who's going. Dywydiad, event. Comedy is comedy, soft mutation of comedy. Spelled with an I in Welsh, not a Y. Ymwelwyr, visitors. Bwrlwm, bubbling, bubble, bubbling sound, a gurgling sound. Or hustle and bustle, or buzz, as in something's a bit of a buzz happening. There's a buzz, there's a right buzz that place. It's great. Hustle and bustle of the streets. The market was exciting. Whatever. Crefftau, crafts, soft mutation of crefftau. Crefftau, crafts, arts. Gymdeithasol, soft mutation of cymdeithasol. Disco tawel, silent disco. Wyliau'r haf, wyliau'r haf. Summer holidays. Ieuenctid, youth, sport, fun. Spree, spree is fun or spree, S-P-R-E-E. Bob and Isle, every other. That's when you talk about events being on every other week. Sometimes it can be better, not every week. You look forward to it more. Bob and Isle, every other. Hub, spelled H-Y-B, is hub in English, spelled H-U-B. It can also mean the H put on the front of YB as in bore, as in AM when you're doing time. You might see it in some sense. Dros y haf, over the summer. Wythnosau, weeks, plural of wythnos. Ffrindiau, friends, plural of ffrind. Hyderus, confidence. Hyderus is confidence. Hyder is confidence, boldness. Wybodaeth, information, soft mutation of wybodaeth. Cylchlythyr, circular letter or a newsletter. Digwyddiadau, events, plural of digwyddiad. Gweithgareddau, activities, plural of gweithgaredd. This one from before. Ymunwch â ni, join us. Ymunwch, command of ymuno, join. A is about with, and ni is us, join with us, or just join us. Those are some other phrases that I've picked up when looking around. The Menter, really good. I've been going to lots of activities with them. And yeah, often very interesting. Learn some new words, lots of fun. News today, Enaid Cariadis. Enaid Cariadis, teyrnged I dad, I dri fwfarw yn llyn geirionydd. A loving soul, a tribute to a father who died in llyn geirionydd. Cynnal cwest menw gafodd ei tharo gan ei char, ei hun wrth geisio achub cath. Inquest held for a woman who was hit by her own car while trying to save a cat. Hwyl fawr am y tro. Martin Geraint yn ymddeol ar ôl 40 mlynedd. Goodbye for now. Martin Geraint retires after 40 years. Merch yn ei arddegau a dynes wedi marw ar ôl mynd I drafferthion ar draeth. A teenage girl and a woman have died after getting into trouble on a beach. Sioc a siom nad yw hofrenyddion ar gael I ddiffodd tannau gwyllt yng Nghymru. Sioc a siom nad yw hofrenyddion ar gael I ddiffodd tannau gwyllt yng Nghymru. Shock and disappointment that helicopters are not available to fight wildfires in Wales. But the PM, First Minister of Wales and the Prime Minister of the UK have met today. And there's been another article later on saying there is a helicopter available for a fire at the moment. Today's song is a bit different. I had a singing lesson yesterday, more like classical style singing. So I'm just trying something different today. The lyrics are, it's about Menter iaith. So Menter iaith, language initiative. I'll read it in Welsh first. Menter iaith am wasanaeth, hwyl ysbryd, te a bisgedi. Language initiative, what a service. Fun and spree, tea, biscuits. Crochenwaith, am creftwaith. Gwili ni, lle ddysgu. Pottery, what's handiwork. A festival for us, a place to learn. And here it is. Bye-bye. Menter iaith am wasanaeth, hwyl ysbryd, te bisgedi, crochenwaith, o am creftwaith, gwyli ni, lle ddysgu.